Common misconceptions about renovations. Imagine this. You've finally found the perfect house. It's in the location you love, with the big yard you've always dreamed of. But the house needs work, outdated, neglected, or in need of major repairs. Agents hesitate to show it, fearing it won't qualify for a loan. Buyers walk through and feel overwhelmed by its condition. The chance to transform it into something amazing missed, and the house sits unsold. But what if I told you there's a solution that turns this missed opportunity into the start of your dream home journey? Introducing the renovation loan, the game changer in home buying. It's a single transaction that combines the sales contract and your renovation budget, making it easier than ever to transform any property into your dream home. Here's why a renovation loan might be right for you. Access all listings, regardless of condition. Skip the need for cash up front. Financing covers the renovations. Flexible down payment options. 3% conventional, 3.5% FHA, 0% VA or USDA renovation loans. HUD $100 down program. Enjoy the simplicity of one fully amortizing mortgage payment, just like a traditional loan. From brand new kitchens to luxurious baths, major repairs to landscaping, and even building an accessory dwelling unit, renovation loans can make it happen. Don't let the current condition of a house hold you back. With a renovation loan, the possibilities are endless, and your dream home is within reach. Transform. Renovate. Thrive.